guys! Welcome back to my channel! This is Leyson, ang iyong likod nagbabalik! So for today's video guys, I will teach you on how to install a camera and a headset to your laptop and PC. Most especially for those who are studying online and work from home. So ayan guys, ang gagawin natin ngayon ay install natin ito. Tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-install nito doon sa inyong laptop at PC. At ngayon nga dahil ang meron ako ngayon is PC, so meron ako ngayon is laptop, so ituturo ko sa inyo ay kung paano siya i-install sa inyong laptop. So guys, before I will install this one in my laptop, so I will tell you guys the details of this HD camera. So this one is an HD camera 1080p video calling with built-in microphone. So I bought this one in SM Manila yesterday. It just cost 800 pesos. So and then another one is A4 Tech with noise cancelling microphone. So I bought this one too in SM Manila for just 1,300 pesos. So yung iba po nito is about 2,000, 3,000 ganyan. So ito is 1,300 pesos sa basement po doon sa SM Manila. So hanapin nyo na lang po dyan for those who are there in Manila. So ayan po. So ngayon bubuksan na po natin siya at i-install natin siya sa laptop. Then next, pupunta tayo sa search. Puntahan natin ang camera. And then, pupunta tayo dito sa camera. And then, ayan. So guys, if you want to use your web camera, so ito siya. This one is the original. Ito yung original. This one, hi. So that's my camera in my laptop, this one. And then if you will use the other one like this, so you will just press this one in here. Then now I am using my web or my installed HD camera. So ayan, gusot-gusot yung buhok ko. So ayan siya. So guys, now next procedure is to install our headset with noise cancelling microphone. Our headset, A4 Tech headset. So now install siya dito, lagay natin dito, and then check natin dito sa start, and then settings. Oops, ito. So we'll check in the devices. Okay, built-in, as you can see, our general camera is here. Our audio device, USB, ito yon ay nakakonect na. So now, we will just close this one. Okay, close natin ito, pati yung YouTube ko dito. And then, we'll try to use our web camera and headset. So, balikan natin, wala. Camera! Ay, ito na. Ito na siya camera. So, ayan, meron na guys. So, puntahan natin. Let's try kung okay na ba siya. Okay. I-test natin ang microphone together with headset and also microphone. Okay, let's try. Hi, thank you for calling customer service. My name is Jean. How may I help you? Okay, then i-try natin. Hi, thank you for calling customer service. My name is Jean. How may I help you? So guys, that's all for today's video. At para po sa mga kung nagustuhan nyo ang video ito, just click down below, comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you!